Facebook Pixel is a tool that allows businesses to track and measure the effectiveness of their Facebook advertising campaigns. The Pixel is a small piece of code that is placed on a website, and it tracks the actions that users take on that website, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or viewing a specific page. When a user visits a website with the Facebook Pixel installed, the Pixel collects information about that user and sends it back to Facebook. This information is used to build a profile of the user, which can then be used to target them with specific ads. Businesses can also use the Facebook Pixel to create custom audiences, which are groups of users who have taken specific actions on a website. These custom audiences can then be targeted with specific ads, which can increase the chances of conversion. Additionally, businesses can also use Facebook Pixel's conversion tracking and optimization features to track the performance of their ads and optimize them for better results.